If the dryer drum in your washer-dryer combo isn't turning, here are the 6 most probable causes. The drum is rotated by a drive belt, which can wear down and break over time. As with most dryer repairs, you will need to remove the front panel to replace the belt. Most dryers will have 2 or more rollers supporting the rear of the drum, and some will have another 2 rollers supporting the front. If any of the rollers or roller axles wear out, the drum will have trouble turning. We recommend replacing all of the rollers and axles at the same time. Some dryer models have plastic glides that support the front of the drum. A worn or damaged glide may cause the drum to bind, putting a strain on the drive motor. Some models utilize a rear drum bearing and retainer to support the drum. Again, if the bearing is worn out, the drum will have difficulty turning. The idler pulley, which applies tension to the drive belt when the drum is turning, can wear out and prevent the belt from rotating the drum. If the idler pulley is damaged, we recommend replacing both the pulley and the drive belt at the same time. The drive motor drives the belt and operates the blower wheel. If there are no obstructions preventing the blower wheel from turning and the motor makes a humming sound, it's likely that the motor has failed and will need to be replaced. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your washer-dryer combo.